addiction, poisoning, lung cancer, bladder cancer, larynx cancer, and other problems. Would you believe these are the side effects of carrots for some people? If you want to know more about the side effects of carrots, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to the health tips and tricks. Carrots are dangerous to smokers. According to researchers, there is a substance called beta-carotene, precursor of vitamin A, in most vegetables, the concentration of which is higher in carrots than in other vegetables. This substance affects the toxic substances in cigarette tobacco and increases the risk of lung, bladder, larynx, and mouth cancer in smokers and even those who have been smokers before, up to 50%. However, this does not mean that smokers or former smokers should avoid eating other vegetables, because other useful substances in these vegetables prevent beta-carotene from affecting toxic substances in tobacco. However, they should avoid eating foods that have a high beta-carotene concentration, such as carrots, pumpkins, cantaloupe, and apricots, as well as beta-carotene tablets. Beta-carotene in carrots increases the risk of cancer in smokers by affecting the toxic substances in tobacco. But in people who never smoked, beta-carotene is the best nutrient for preventing cancer. Please like and subscribe to give me more motivation, and share the videos so that more people can access this information. Carrots cause vitamin A intoxication. Carrots can have unpleasant effects in case of excessive consumption, which can be very intense in some cases. Some people get stomach aches after eating carrots because it causes mild poisoning caused by vitamin A in people. Other symptoms of this poisoning can include loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, hair loss, fatigue, and nosebleeds. On the other hand, toxicity occurs because vitamin A is fat-soluble. Any extra vitamin A that is not needed by the body is stored in the liver or fat tissue, which can lead to the accumulation of vitamin A over time and eventually poisoning the body. Chronic vitamin A intoxication can affect different systems, which can inhibit bone formation and lead to weaker bones and eventually fractures. Long-term vitamin A toxicity may also affect kidney function. The carrot is addictive. Some people have a habit of eating carrots every day, so they constantly have a strong desire to eat carrots. Irritability, insomnia, nervousness, and sore throat are some of the negative effects of quitting carrot consumption. Carrots change the taste of the milk of nursing mothers. Carrot is rich in vitamins and minerals, which are very important for the body. However, studies have shown that carrots change the taste of breast milk. Therefore, women who are breastfeeding their babies should avoid consuming carrot juice in excess. Also, some studies show that carrots are not without risk for babies. Carrot changes skin color. If carrots are consumed in large quantities, it will turn the skin unusually yellow to orange. This color change is caused by beta-carotene, a carotenoid substance found in carrots. This color change can be seen in the palms, hands, face, and feet. Carrots can cause flatulence. Carrots contain 12 grams of carbohydrates and 4 grams of fiber. When fiber and carbohydrates are not digested in your intestines, they become irritated in the colon. This causes the formation of gas in the intestine and causes flatulence and gas. Carrots interfere with nutrient absorption. Generally, fiber interferes with the absorption of zinc, iron, magnesium, and other nutrients in the body. Eating carrots in large quantities can lead to a deficiency of these vital nutrients while they are essential for the body. Fat and protein, which are vital for the body, are not present in carrots. Please subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video, like it and share it with others. And if you have any questions or comments, I will be happy if you leave me a comment.